Good day, guys! This video shows you the mathematical in natures. Mathematics is visible in our eyes. We can see it everywhere, most especially in our school. And not only in our school, but even in our house and the place where we live in. The street we walk in, the clouds we see every day in our life, because it has a mathematical pattern. We can see lots of mathematical patterns here in our natures. So one example of it is a fruit of a lanzones. The second one is the fruit of a coconut. We can see mathematics on it because we can count of how many coconuts are here. It is 5 petals, so it is Fibonacci sequence. A mathematical shapes. This is the shapes of a circle, and it is a mathematics in nature. This is the cat. A cat have sides by sides and have a midpoint, and it is a pattern of mathematics, which is the symmetry pattern. That's all, and thanks.